for you.
Stay strong.
Oh, I made the camera. What, this?
You want me? Until next time.
It's so
Oh, Billy.
cool.
Chick-fil-A.
What?
Look. Miss Scusi. This is a cutoff.
How many cookies? There we go. Nice and fancy looking. Looks like a flower. But then they have a wing.
4:30.
That's where that other milk.
That's what Ian said, but I said that when.
What'd you get?
Sir, you need toilet paper.
56 and 89.
Just pardon me. Felt great. I think we'll go for some chicken, yeah. Okay. There we go, okay. Oh, that was for you, Taylor. Lifesaver. Yep. I have it playing in the background on TV. But before. That's for you, Ivan. Oh, that's for you, David. That's for you, Josh. Oh. Oh. So, some sriracha. I have to put my head backwards. Oh. Every burp is like, gives me room for another couple bites. That's about it. Oh, that one's for you, Josh. And so you guys slap those things out of my hand. That one's for you, Ivan. Ugh. That didn't really work. That one's for you. It's for you, people of the world. Oh, excuse me. That's for you, Josh. Oh, that's for you, Ivan. Oh, excuse me. That's the official time. 21:25.
Oh.
Oh, Uh-oh.
There you go.
What the hell?
Get him. Stop mocking me.
Uh-oh.
Matt.
Yeah. Nuggets were bigger than yours too. Man. 6 nuggets left.
Check it, Dr. Brick.
The pizza baby's kicking.
What?
Pizza baby or something.
Pizza baby.
Pizza baby.
Oh man. Oh, I'm so gassy today.
So yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
That's for you, Taylor. Why they do that?
Want me to do like, okay.